how to set up your support email in Freshdesk. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your support email in Freshdesk. So to get started, go ahead and open Freshdesk and log into your account. So setting up your support email in Freshdesk allows you to receive and respond to customer queries directly from your help desk. So go to your Freshdesk portal, sign in as an admin, and then click on the gear icon, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. And then in here, go ahead and click on channels. So from the channels tab, go ahead and look for the email tab. So click on email once you have found it, and then in here, go ahead and connect your support email. So as you can see, there are a few options that you have in here, such as Google Mail, Microsoft Outlook, Freshdesk, and other options. And then you need to authorize the connection between your Freshdesk account and your Gmail account. And then once you're done with this, Freshdesk will send a verification email to the address you entered, and then you need to open that email and click on that verification link. So connect your account with Freshdesk to use this as your support email. You need to go ahead and confirm the connection between your Freshdesk account and your Gmail account. If you're using Gmail, Outlook, or another provider, you need to go ahead and head over to the email settings and then set up the email forwarding to your Freshdesk support address. This ensures all incoming emails are received and converted into tickets. So after that, you need to test the setup. Send a test email to your support address and check if it appears as a ticket on Freshdesk. And that is how you can basically set up your support email in Freshdesk. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.